Hello guys, in this video, we will see how to delete Facebook account permanently. So, let's get started. I am Jack from Educational Alliance. Now come at mobile screen where we will do it step by step. Open Facebook app, then go to Profile Picture. Now scroll down and click on Setting. Then click on See More in Account Center. Now click on Personal Details. At here, you see your personal details of Facebook account. You'll need to click on Account Ownership and Control. Now go to Deactivation and Delete. At here, you see my two accounts are showing at here, but I am going with first one. So just click on it. At here, you see two options available. One is deactivating your account temporarily, and second one is delete your account permanently. I am going with Delete Account Permanently by Mark Check on it. Then click Continue button. As you see it here, one of my Facebook page showing which also be deleted on this action. So I'm going to do it because I don't want this page also. Now click on Continue. Okay, now at here, I should select the reason to delete this account. I am select as I have privacy concern. You may do it as per your choice. Now click on Continue. This is all about privacy of Facebook, so just click on Continue again. Okay now, as you see, Facebook suggests you before delete the account about something you can do before this action. You can keep Continue with Messenger if you only deactive Facebook account. You can also save your post in Archive. You can download your information of Facebook account as well. You can transfer your information into another account before delete account. You can review app on which you logged in with Facebook at here. I'm not doing anything at here. You may do any action before delete Facebook account. Now click on Continue button. Now enter your Facebook account password at here and then press Continue. Your Facebook account will be deleted permanently. That's it guys. Thanks for watching this video.